Welcome back to Google Docs Essentials. In this quick video, we're going to go shopping for fonts. This tutorial is brought to you by edtrekkers.com. So we're going to go through a couple of steps. Here's a preview of what's to come. We're going to use our practice document. We're going to highlight the title. Then we're going to select the font menu. We're going to go to New Fonts and search for the Lexend font. So the quick and dirty, for those of you who want to get to the point and move on, you're just going to highlight what you want to highlight, and you can choose from your list or you can search for more fonts. So in this case, we can search for Lexend and go ahead and select it and add it, okay? I just want to draw your attention to the fact that you can also sort by trending. You can show different types of fonts. If you're just looking for the latest handwriting font, you want to say, what's going on with handwriting? Sort by trending. What are the trending handwriting fonts? That calligraphy looks really nice. But I need the Lexend font. Now, it's not showing up because I need to change show to all fonts, right? So then Lexend. Now, Lexend is a font that is specifically it was developed for people with dyslexia or reading disabilities. So it's a good font for everyone to know about, especially if you're in education. And now you can see that we've made the title font the Lexend font. Now we're going to take this a step further. Let's say that we like the Lexend font, but we also want it bold, okay? And I'm like, that's how I want all my titles to be in this document. If I select from my styles menu and hover over title now, I can update title to match. And what that means is that every time I make a new title, it will be this exact style. So I update that to match. So if I had gone down here to make format page a title, watch what happens. It's going to be exactly that format. But I'm going to undo that because that's not what I want. Now, the other piece is I've got some fonts set up, right? I've got some things set up. Right now, I've changed my title font to the Lexend. I can go down to my options here and save as my default styles. So save as my default styles. If I go into a new doc and create a title, it will have the styles that I have selected. So those are really essential tips, really good for you to know, so that you can, if you get a setup that you like for all of your documents, you can set your default styles so that your headings are always a certain font and size, and your normal font is always a certain font and size. Case in point, I'm not a big fan of Arial, so I'm going to change this to Lato. I want all of my normal fonts to be Lato. So you can see I have Lato here. It's my normal text. Well, now I just hover over normal text and update normal text to match, and all of my normal text is now Lato. And I can go down and make that a global change. Okay? So those are my tips for working with formatting, shopping for fonts, and then setting your defaults under the style menu for your normal text or any other text that you're working with. Hope that was useful for you.